You're getting married. Congratulations. And as a modern couple, you've decided you're going to go and do your registry together. Well, that presents some problems sometimes. You might always agree that you like everything to match. These beautiful pewter pieces by Match are fantastic for that. The flatware, all of the plates, all of the cups and saucers. You might be more traditional and you mix patterns like I do, Christophe, Haviland. You can find something all in platinum. Or your significant other might be much more contemporary and like these kinds of pieces, fun cups from Bernardeau. But either way, at Geary's, their registry is all on gift cards so that you don't have to make that exact decision at that exact moment. You can go in, you can look at all of your different options and decide later. And maybe you'll go home, say, you know what? I love those wine glasses from Rosenthal. But either way, it's not overwhelming at Geary's because it's always gift cards. You guys can decide together, come back and choose exactly what's going to make you happy.